Have you ever found yourself tangled in the complexities of GraphQL, wondering how to set variables with mutation results? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common question about GraphQL mutations and how to handle them effectively. I totally get it. Trying to create multiple entities in a single GraphQL query can be confusing, especially if you're new to it. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges when starting with GraphQL. Let's look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, is it possible to set a variable with a result from a mutation in GraphQL? They provided an example where they wanted to create an affiliate and then use its ID in a subsequent creation call. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the issue here? In GraphQL, mutations are designed to change data, but they don't inherently support variable assignments like traditional programming languages. This can lead to confusion when trying to chain mutations together. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to handle multiple mutations in GraphQL, and I have a bonus tip that will make your GraphQL experience even smoother. To achieve the desired functionality in GraphQL, the user can utilize a single mutation that returns the necessary data. First, the user should structure the mutation to ensure that the first creation returns the ID needed for the second creation. Next, the user should ensure that the first mutation, affiliate create, returns the ID directly. This ID can then be used in the second mutation, affiliate user create, without needing to store it in a variable. If the user needs to perform two separate mutations, they can do so by chaining them in the client code. This means executing the first mutation and then using its result to call the second mutation. Finally, the user should test the mutation to ensure it works as expected. They can use tools like GraphQL or Postman to send the mutation and verify the results. Fun fact, did you know that GraphQL was developed by Facebook in 2012 and released to the public in 2015? It's become a popular choice for APIs because of its flexibility and efficiency. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach is to use nested mutations, which are supported in GraphQL APIs. Instead of trying to set a variable for the mutation result, you can create an input object argument. For example, by adding an author input to the affiliate create mutation, you can create both an affiliate and a user in one call. Similarly, you can add an affiliates input object to the user create mutation to create multiple affiliates at once. This way, you can link the two entities together without needing separate mutation calls. Here's a pro tip. Always check the response of your mutations. This will help you understand what data you can use in subsequent calls and avoid unnecessary errors. And there you have it. You've learned how to handle multiple mutations in GraphQL effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering GraphQL.